What's up everyone, this is Aditya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm headed towards Vanajangi Hill, which is in the Eastern Ghats in the city of Visakhapatnam. It is located at a distance of about 100 kilometers from Visakhapatnam city and has become a tourist sensation in the recent years. Look at this. So we started our journey at around 2:30 a.m. from Gajuaka. So our journey was about 90 kilometers, and then we came very slowly. It was small car, so and by now, if we see, we left our cars because the engine was heated up and it was difficult to bring this up. So we are walking, and it seems like there is some 6 to 7 kilometers which we have to still go. If you can see there, this is the hills which we have to go to view the sunrise viewpoint. So we got an auto here and we are going up. Auto guy really saved us. We had to climb almost from 6 to 7 kilometers, and luckily we got them in between, and we hitchhiked this.
తిప్పుకోవడానికి ఇబ్బంది ఇక్కడంతా, అందుకే వచ్చాం. మహా అయితే అక్కడ వరకు వెళ్తాం, అక్కడ తిప్పుకోవడానికి ఇబ్బంది.
ఎంత దూరం ఉంది? ఇంకా బైక్ ఉంది. So finally we got down here because there is no way forward. So we started walking again from here onwards, and let's see, the sunrise has already come. So this is the place where the vehicles have to be parked, and one has to walk from here, and some of the two-wheelers can go forward until the base camp. So there is an additional 3 to 4 kilometers which we have to trek in between the hills to reach the viewpoint. Look at this views, amazing. Small water flow coming down from the hills. So it's around 8:30 now, and still there are a lot of clouds that are surrounded in between these hills, the Vanajangi hills. So we have come down the Vanjangi hills now, and here it's surrounded with fog on all the sides. We have just come here to take some photographs in between these trees, and since it's surrounded with fog on all the sides, we are going to take some photographs and then start back to Vizag. So Vanjangi is located at a distance of about 6 kilometers from Paderu and 100 kilometers from Visakhapatnam city. So currently there are no hotels or accommodations nearby, and most of them are taking their tents and doing camping. And in the future they might improve this place with better facilities so that it will be convenient for everyone. The best time to visit Vanjangi is between November to January, where you'll be able to see a lot of cloud formations in between the hills and the fog surrounded all the sides. To reach here, one has to come on their own vehicles or has to book some four-wheeler and reach here, since there is no public transportation as of now. So there are buses towards Paderu, but you won't be able to reach during the sunrise time, and you will be missing that. So it's better to take your own personal vehicles and come here. If you like this video, hit the like button, write down your comments and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Russ Backpacker. There are more Vizag series videos coming up. Stay tuned. Until next time, this is Aditya signing off.